right, y'all. Starting to get started. We'll have an update on the front end. You guys came to the KDM Cruise. You guys might have seen the car. Looked a little unfinished. For you guys know that my headlights are always yellow. Let's get this bad boy started up. And we got something to talk about, people. So yeah. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. YouTuber shout out intro. I'm gonna start doing that. You guys comment below if you guys know the YouTuber that intro belongs to. I'll give you one small hint. He's not a big YouTuber, but he's kind of well known. He's part of the Hyundai fam. So you guys comment down below right away. Guy's funny as heck, dude. Met him one time, cool guy. But yeah, with that being said, dude, I'm gonna start doing that. That's something just fun, just shouting out some of my favorite YouTubers and content creators out there that I'll watch. So today's video, in the title, what happened at the KDM Cruise that we need to talk about. Let's jump into it. Let's get started. Get the beautiful Batmobile nice and cleaned up. It is now Monday morning. I'm heading off to work. I'm gonna start doing these little I guess you could say caught on dash cam type of videos where we discuss certain subjects, most of them being dash cam footage. Some of them will just be subjects around the car community and the status of Southern California car culture. But today's video, we're gonna talk about what happened at the 9th annual KDM Cruise that endangered the well-being of not only myself, my fellow SoCal Gens family members, and my wife. So this is something that needs to be addressed for a little bit of truth. So if you hear rumors around the community, you know what to believe, because I have visual footage. You guys don't know this is my Van-Top vanity mirror. This particular brand, Van-Top, I think they discontinued manufacturing. You can buy them secondhand on either eBay or online, Facebook Marketplace and whatnot. But this has a mirror, and it doesn't even fit correctly over the stock Genesis Coupe Ultimate mirror, because it has buttons and stuff. But I make it work. This mirror right here has a camera on the front, and I got some fancy little stuff that helps me see the camera in the front, camera in the rear. Yeah, so basically it's dual mirror setup. I can make it see the make sure it sees only front, or I can do a split between front and rear. But I like to see the rear because I'm riding dirty with dark tints, so this is very good for me. But enough about that, dude. We gotta get going. Nice BMW behind me. At least it's something for you guys to look at. I'll probably put up a rear shot of this BMW behind me. Little guts. Morning popcorn, man. Good morning. Give him a thumbs up, man. I like that color. That's cool. So let's get to the subject at hand. Before we get into it, I gotta get a couple disclaimers out the way. This video in no shape or form, whatever you want to say, is to, I don't know, make this person popular. I don't want to overshadow, you know, all the good vibes and everything like that, because you guys, if you watch the vlog, thank you. If you watch both vlogs, you're a champion. Really appreciate you guys. Appreciate all the new subscribers. But if you guys watch the video, you guys know that the second part of the cruise, how I did some stuff close to the end, getting a vibe check and seeing what everybody's at, and everybody enjoyed the cruise, man. And I don't want to take away from that, but this is intended really as a defense against any type of rumors or negative talk coming from this particular person playing victim in any way, shape, or form, saying that my SoCal Gens fam or KDM Cruise did them dirty. This person brought the consequences on himself. That is, you guys will see once you see the footage. So we're gonna get closer to that. So as we merge on real quick, give me 1 second. I like to get up to speed. light test and check it. Make sure it's not too dark. You guys can actually see me. Because my tent is 100% legal, officer. But yeah, so before the cruise started, I was filming the beginning at the first meet spot, and this gentleman, I was filming his car a little bit. I cut that footage because I didn't want to. I left him out of it. I filmed a little bit of footage of his car, gave him props, it looks cool, whatever. And he's immediately starts talking about horsepower numbers, whatever. Then he came up to me, I think it was like 5 minutes later or something like that, saying, "Oh, how come SoCal Gents won't let me join?" And I'm like, "Wait, what are you talking about, bro? I'm confused. Like, what do you? This don't sound like my fam, you know what I mean? We're always accepting new people in it." And he was a little like crushed about it, sad. So I was just like, okay, let me go see what's up. And I talked to some other members, and they told me that this gentleman's been hitting them up constantly. Not only the person who runs SoCal Gents, but other members have been getting spammed with DMs of him saying, "How do I join? How do I join?" And it's just like, we never said he couldn't join. It's just showing up to one of our events and just being chill and showing what kind of person you are, and, you know, kind of showing your true color. Just be you and just be chill, because we don't mess with any nonsense, you know. We got enough of that in the car community. So the dude could have easily joined, but I don't know what he wanted. If he wanted automatically to get a banner and then say you officially joined, but it's just a matter of showing up. It's just like with any team or club, you got to show up to the events and hang out with us and show that you're chill just like us and you're no nonsense and that type of stuff, you know what I mean? We get on to the cruise, and where everybody's kind of like doing their thing. I'm doing my media thing. My wife is taking pictures. I'm on one side of the freeway. I'm gonna start putting up videos if I have it, dash cam footage. So I'm on one side of the freeway, and I notice this gentleman is bouncing in and out like he's media, but I mean, that's perfectly fine. He wants to take shots. But I'm noticing his driving's a little erratic. Like, it's not, he seems to be kind of like losing control of the wheel, where he's just kind of swerving a little bit. And I'm just like, oh, this guy's he's driving a little sketchy. Just a little sketchy. But I didn't think nothing of it, you know? And then the first incident, he darted off. Like, we were supposed to stay in line, or just kind of stay close to each other so that no one kind of, I guess, gets lost or anything like that. Stay behind the group leader, which is my boy Ronsky. Shout out to Ronsky. He darts off past Ronsky, and he's gone. He's just like in the horizon. Like, the dude just speeds off, and I'm just like, okay, what did he do that for? I didn't realize what he was about to do. So the next clip is gonna be me showing you what he was doing. Never mind my reaction. Whatever. We're just gonna play it. It's gonna be a good laugh, but it's freaking crazy. Let's go.
I brought so many drinks.
What the f, bro? Nigga, what are you doing? All right, so there you have it. The dude was in the number 1 lane. His car was parked off to the side, but he was in the number 1 lane trying to get shots and rollers of us going past. And that right there was dangerous AF. And I'm just like, bro, are you serious? You seen my reaction. You heard my reaction. That was just completely reckless, and I was completely shocked. Yeah, but that was just the tip of the iceberg. That was only the beginning. Throughout the cruise, like, he was blocking traffic. Like, when we would make turns, he would get ahead of us, and he would block. Like, luckily there were no cars coming, but he would park his car at a turn so that nobody in regular traffic could get in our group, which is, no, we don't do that. We let traffic flow easily because we don't want to alert any sheriff or local PD or even highway patrol on anything. We dealt with that a couple years ago. But yeah, so he's blocking traffic. He was tailgating me on numerous occasions. I think I deleted pretty much all of my freaking the rear footage. I didn't like the quality. The rear footage was just like kind of like 720p. It looked all hazy. I didn't like it. The rear camera is okay. The front camera is 4K on my dash cam setup. So he kept blocking traffic and everything. And then, oh, this one was a doozy. This one was gonna blow your freaking minds, you guys. So we're in the canyons, and he's tailgating me again. He falls back, and then he tailgates, falls back, and he tailgates, you know. He wants to pass, and I'm like, there ain't no way, bruh. He's trying to pass me in the canyons, and it's one lane this way, one lane in the opposite direction. He goes for it, and this is what happened. Oh, shit, he almost hit the wall! What the? No, he's out the cruise. He is out the cruise. He's done. He's done. So, yeah, as you can see in the footage, and I will play it back kind of slowly or chop it up so you guys can see it over and over again. He makes the pass for me. He passes me. And he's like, I'm gonna pass stealthy too. Instead of just getting in front of me, he was already screwing himself over by trying to pass me and crossing a double line and going the wrong way on this, which is horrible. Don't ever do this. But as you can see, my reaction when he passes stealthy, he makes a crooked type of like correction. He was inches from hitting the rock wall. That would have been bad in itself. And then, at the last minute, I didn't realize there was a car coming in the opposite lane. And he narrowly missed that car. Now, we weren't going super fast. We were going fast enough to be in a two-way canyon road for me, Stealthy, him, and the lady to be all royally effed. It would have been bad, you guys. And I heard some stuff, man. Already I heard some stuff. And how much of this is true, I don't know. I heard something about him joining another team. I'm not even gonna mention the team, dude, because I want you guys can go investigate, that's fine. Don't go over there saying, you know, I don't want to start no trouble with other people. You know, I'm trying to, positive car culture is what I promote. So this video is kind of difficult for me to make because it's got a lot of negativity in it, but I want to shine a light on this situation so that when you guys hear stuff in the community and things are said to you about SoCal Gens and KDM crews doing someone dirty, you have this video to look at and show them, hey, I'm not here to bash you. Bro, if you're watching this video was not intended to bash you. It was not intended to try to make you famous or even popular and by any means. This is simply the truth, man. And we do not, meaning me, myself, my fellow KDM Cruise teammates, meaning media, the organizers and whatnot, and my SoCal Gens, we do not tolerate reckless behavior. If you want to do that, this is not the place you want to be. You do not want to join SoCal Gens if you want to be reckless, and KDM Cruise is not going to welcome you if you want to be reckless. So, just giving you a heads up. Yeah, because the car community has enough negativity to deal with, has enough tragedy to deal with. We'll talk more about that later on. What happened that day, the KDM Cruise, and why me, myself, is such a big deal to use this as an example of what not to do. Everything what not to do, man, please. We're trying to keep things positive. We're trying to stay out of trouble. We're trying to keep our loved ones safe, you know, friends and family, you know. But yeah, that's going to be it for today's video, dude. Sorry, it's not that happy-go-lucky video that you guys are used to on this channel. It's a little bit of truth, and yeah, that's pretty much it. You guys keep track of the channel. I'm going to be doing more to the car. I have some stuff that's still unfinished with the car. That front badge you guys saw at the KDM Cruise, it was it was the rushed, not 100% complete, but I didn't want a naked space in the front, so it was like a preview. But yeah, that bad boy's gonna light up, dude. It's gonna be sick, dude. So you guys stay tuned for that. The headlights are done, the rear badge is done. Got some more small touches I'm gonna do to the car, so make sure you hit the like button, subscribe for more content. Hitting up my friends with fast cars. Since my car is so slow, I gotta hit up my homie with fast ones. So one of the fastest G70s in Southern California, I'll be driving that bad boy, so keep your eye out for that, and I'm gonna keep you guys entertained with more content. And what you guys want to see, a particular KTM build or non-KTM build, or your favorite type of car, RX-7, Supra, whatever. I just hit up some of my connections, man, and make some content for you guys and what you guys want to see. So this is one of those interactive type of videos. Let me know what you want to see, and I will bring it to the channel. And yes, that's it, dude. So just remember, as I say in all my videos, you guys, always stay blessed, and number one, stay safe. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.